Growing up in Russia, one of the most popular and my favorite street food was chebureki. What is chebureki, you ask me? Chebureki is technically a deep-fried turnover with minced meat, onion and some spices inside. Nowadays I'm trying to avoid deep-fried foods. Therefore I wanted to share with you a healthy version of chebureki made in air fryer. So in this video I will share with you a few life hacks how to make a healthy version of chebureki in an air fryer, and also using a store-bought tortillas, which will save you lots of time while still getting an amazing taste. With the bonus I will share you a vegetarian or vegan version of chebureki as well. You can find a list of ingredients in the description of this video. Okay, let's get it done. Step number 1. Making the filling. Chop onion, garlic and parsley. Mix it all together with ground meat. Add salt, about 1 tablespoon. Lots of pepper and some spices. Mix it all very well together. Step number 2. Add about 2 tablespoons of filling on one side of the tortilla. Now, before folding another side of the tortilla, use some water to wet the sides. It will make it stickier. Using a wet fork, press it well on both sides of the tortilla to close it up. We are almost done. Step number 3. I can fit 2 of them in the air fryer at once. Spray some oil on top and set for 10 minutes to bake at 330 degrees Fahrenheit. It turned out really well. Now, if you want to experiment with vegetarian version, I have tried to make it with potatoes, mushrooms and onions. To do that, you need to boil and mash potatoes, sauté mushrooms, and after 5 minutes add onions and sauté for another 5 minutes. Mix potatoes, mushrooms and onions, add salt and pepper. Now you can follow the same process from step number 2 and step number 3 in this video. Both meat and potato options come out really well. Personally, I prefer the original version with meat. But if you need to make vegetarian or vegan option, potato and mushrooms are a good alternative. I hope you liked my video. Leave comments on what other recipes would you like to see from me in my future videos. Thanks for watching, and I will see you soon.